babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alethea. I'm doing a really fun video today because if you guys don't know, totally in my bridal era. I've been engaged since October of 2025. Venue is booked, photographer is booked, other vendors are on the way, and I'm in full bridal planning mode. So that makes this video really exciting. Today I actually have my wedding band. So we went a little bit a different route. Instead of doing wedding bands from the place that I got my engagement ring from, I went with Shesaidyes. So shout out to Shesaidyes. Make sure you guys are checking all of the information down below as well as on the screen for discounts, sales, anything coming up from Shesaidyes. I'm gonna be showing you guys what my wedding band looks like today, so I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into showing you what my wedding band looks like, but first I just want to recap on my gorge engagement ring. I don't know if it's gonna focus up, but I do have a 3.1 carat lab grown. She's totally a lab grown, but I love her to death. Lab grown and real diamonds are the same thing, so don't even come for me. But she's gorgeous, she's silver, and just everything I could ever imagine. So I stuck with the silver kind of vibe with my wedding band. So Shesaidyes comes with awesome packaging. It gives you tips and tricks on like things you need to look out for when caring for your jewelry. Breaks it down completely. Any of the current coupons and things like that will be in there. I have already opened this to look at it just to make sure that everything was there, and I had to take off the little tag and take it out of its little baggie so I could properly show you guys. She comes in a nice little typical ring box, and when you open her up, here is my wedding band. So this is the one I went with. I'll show you guys some close-ups here in just a second because I know it's probably not going to focus the way that I want it. But she is a 1.2 carat in total. I actually did go with moissanite for my wedding band. I just felt like it was a little bit more cost effective, and I will again link all of Shesaidyes' information down below so you guys can explore their options. But you can customize your ring any way you want. You can get it gold, you can get it 14 or 10 karat white gold, you can get different carat sizes, you can get lab grown as well. But again, I went with moissanite. I just felt like there's no problem in a moissanite, especially when it comes to wedding bands. So I just want to show you guys a little bit more about the band. I'm gonna actually take my engagement ring off so I can show you what she looks like all together. Just such a gorgeous combination. I feel like it adds so much more like extra sparkle to my stack, and I want to show you guys how just perfect this looks all together. I feel like I could honestly even see myself getting another one, and I did get this in a size 5.5. So my ring size is kind of weird. I know my main ring is a like 5.2 something or something like that. So I went with a 5.5, and with it sitting behind this, like I don't feel it move. Like it's not gonna fly off my hand at all. And the cool thing about it is a U gallery, and I love a U gallery. So I just absolutely love a U gallery band. I feel like she's just so sparkly from afar. Like you can see all the really cute details up close, but of course like we want that sparkle even when I'm a little bit farther away. So she's gorgeous, and it does go all the way around. I knew I wanted a band that goes all the way around because I just feel like it's a little bit more comfortable, contrary to what people think, with an eternity band that maybe stops in the middle so that it's not rubbing against your fingers. But with it being so small, the stones just don't bother my finger at all, and it fits perfectly. Like you want to be able to have a little bit of a struggle to pull your rings off. So I'm glad that this fits really well, and even on its own it's not going anywhere. So really cute on its own as well if you guys are just looking for something that's more so like just a ring to have. This is a great option, especially for budget and moissanite and lab grown. I think sometimes going to your jeweler for your engagement ring can just get really, really expensive, and I was not trying to have my fiance pay another arm and a leg when he already got me his gorgeous center stone for my engagement ring. So I think this was our best option, and I'm extremely happy with the process. The customer service when communicating questions was great, and I really highly recommend Shesaidyes. Make sure you guys are using my discount code as well as looking into any sales that Shesaidyes is having. I'm so obsessed with my wedding band, and I can't wait to wear it on my wedding day. I have to kind of hide her away because I'm constantly finding myself wanting to put it on. Sometimes I actually wear it to work because I just want my extra sparkle. But gorgeous. I love it, and I wanted to show you guys because you know that I'm in all things bridal era at the moment, so I wanted to kind of make this a series. So make sure you guys are checking out all my other bridal era videos. Thank you, She Said Yes, for sponsoring and working with me on this video. I appreciate you guys so much. I hope all you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Probably gonna be a vlog, so make sure you guys are subscribed. Mwah.